Alright, greetings everyone, welcome back to some Pro 2s. This time we're at Crandon short in a pretty tough field. We got the number 7 car here, just went out and qualified. Laid down probably the best lap I could, and we're only 6th fastest, so we are going to have Gavin here in the split with us. It looks like Billy Roberts, I do know him, I believe, from Newbon's Discord. But yeah, no Noah Friendland out here, so that's unfortunate. But without any further ado, let's hop on into it, see what we can do with Pro 2s at the Crandon. I totally forgot it was a standing start, so here we go.
Green, green, green. Then to go strike.
Probably just flooring it, not the best move off the start. Not kill Gavin right there.
3 wide, you're the meat. Clear, clear. Next car's the leader.
Nice and smooth here.
Right side. Clear the right.
Just let whatever's gonna happen here. A little bit of contact there at number 8. I think we're all good.
Go left.
Down the pressure from behind. Try to focus on our lines, see if we can hang on to these guys.
Got a slow car on the right. Go left.
Kind of gaining on Gavin out of that corner. I think there was also a guy in here too who said you've been drinking all day. I don't remember who that was. It might have been the one car. The guy who was leading this. So maybe that's a secret. The cars almost taking each other out up front.
Got a slow car on the right. Go left.
There's one car going around. He'll probably catch back up to us though. Able to follow those guys' line that time.
That was your fastest lap of the session.
This track is really tacked up.
5 to go to strike.
It's going well. Keep at it.
Might have to be our move if we can somehow get a run on Gavin into the inside of this corner. Early shift up right there too, felt good.
The leader just did a
44.937.
Probably gonna be our best chance right here. Not gonna be able to do it though. He's blinking. That's to be expected though with Gavin. Kind of blocked our line. Running out of laps here.
Two to go to stripe.
Probably do it for us right there, that little slip up.
White flag next time by a stripe.
A little too much bog right there to leave in third. That's all good though. We gave Gavin a good run for his money. Probably had him sweating a little bit.
Got a slow car on the left.
My bad.
Good run for those guys up front though.
There's Billy. Raise.
All right, there's the checkered flag. Great job, driver.
That was fun. Whew. All right, let's go check out our Rex. All right, let's take a look at what all happened out there. So yeah, I totally blew it on the start. I was just flooring it. Don't know what I was thinking. We almost killed Gavin right there. Had to back off. And you know, pretty much sealed our fate, unfortunately. Bad throwing it in, 3 wide, beating and banging. Good race right there. This sort of 8 kind of gets in the back of us. Goes a little nudge into the corner. Tyson. Uh-huh. Is that the line, huh? Guess we'll see if we see any more of that. Oop. Chad going around. 3 truck here. Oh, a little bit of a low tap there. Everyone kept it straight. But this is after he had already spun out. Okay, so they're like really using that cushion up there. I see. Treating that like it's a third track, I guess. And here's that. This is the last lap already. Just sent it in, trying to get a run on him. Billy was smart, blocked it. And that was it. Alright, well, let's go check out the results. Alrighty, results are in for the Pro 2 race. We bring it home 5th after starting 6th. Gain 24 iRating, gain 0.03 safety rating, so pretty cool. Gavin in 4th comes home with 16 iRating gain and 0.06 safety rating gain. So good run to him. I do want to point out we ran just a bit faster lap, but didn't count for anything other than, you know, saying we ran a faster lap. Good run to all those guys. You know, we'll take 5th place. I didn't expect to do that good in this lobby, so hope y'all enjoyed that. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you, Gavin, for joining. If you guys want to come race some Pro 2s with us, we got a pretty decent group coming out running these. It's every Friday at 6:15 p.m. Pacific time. Easier for me to say. And at 9:15 Eastern. So come check it out, Pro 2s with us. And I hope to see you out there. Thank you for watching.